Friends, everyone here must have gone to a hill town or a river spot sometime in their life and seen a train passing carefully. To safely guide the train across rivers and hills, a bridge is required. Hello friends, welcome to this manufacturing video on composite girder. In this video, we will explore the detailed process of how composite girders are manufactured and fabricated from raw materials. So sit back, relax, and come along with us on this exciting journey through the world of fabrication manufacturing process. Hello friends, you are currently viewing a full span of the composite steel girder. You will need 6 steel girders to complete this span. 4 end girders, 2 middle girders, 4 cross frames, 2 end diaphragms and some BL. How to make a complete end girder and talk about a middle girder. We will also explain the X frame, end diaphragm and BLV. So let's see how to make an end girder. Friends, here is a list of items needed to fabricate this end girder. A. 2 nose bottom flange plates. B. 1 nose web plate. C. 1 nose top flange plate. D. 1 nose INT stiffener plate with X frame. E. 13 nose INT stiffener plate without X frame. F. 1 nose end stiffener plate with hole G. 1 nose end stiffener plate without hole frames. This ends. You see marks the beginning of the first step in manufacturing girder. Friends, we are beginning the marking of the bottom flange plate. Friends, you can see that the fabricator is currently marking the master line on one side of the MS plate to mark the bottom flange plate with the help of a right angle. Friends, currently you can observe that the master line is being set to a 90-degree right angle. After that, the fabricator is making square markings for the bottom flange plate on the MS plate with the help of tape. Friends, the marking is in progress and we are marking the first and second bottom flanges. Friends, you can observe that markings are being made at the specified spot using strings. Friends, you all can notice that the place is being marked using strings. After completing the marking on the plate, you will see how to make the diagonal on the plate. Then, friends, right now you can see the cutting punch being used for gas cutting after the marking is complete. Friends, gas cutting is currently underway. Friends, the gas cutting process is in progress. Friends, the gas cutter is currently cutting the bottom flange plate. Gas cutting is being working progress with the help of a pug machine. The gas cutting continuing the bottom flange plate is being carried out in accordance with the details provided in the drawing.